the state of Andhra Pradesh, Congress party has taken up an agitation against the ruling party for the sake of Aarogyasri. Aarogyasri has been a scheme for health security. This scheme was introduced by Dr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy, the then Chief Minister of United Andhra Pradesh. This scheme was a unanimous hit, not only in Andhra Pradesh, but so many other states emulated Aarogyasri. Even to this day, almost all the states in India have emulated, have copied Aarogyasri, and many of the poor people have benefited from Aarogyasri. Just in the state of Andhra Pradesh, every year, almost 30 lakh people benefit from this health scheme, which gives access to private hospitals, even to the poor people, to get the best of the treatments, get the best of the surgeries possible. But Mr. Chandrababu Naidu has not been paying the dues that were due to be paid to the private hospitals, and this has come up to the tune of 2,700 crore rupees. 700 crore rupees being the dues from the current government and 2,000 crore rupees being the dues from the government that stepped down, YCP's government. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu seems to be under the impression that he does not have to pay the dues of the YCP government, but the Congress party wishes to remind Mr. Chandrababu Naidu that he is in power now, he is the Chief Minister. The onus of repaying the dues of the older government falls on Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, and he has to repay the dues and make sure that Aarogyasri functions normally and smoothly. If Mr. Chandrababu Naidu is not interested in carrying on the Aarogyasri, then the Congress party is not going to back down. Aarogyasri has been the scheme of the Congress, has been the scheme of Dr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy, and we are not going to take this hands down. We are going to protest and sit on a fast unto death in order to protect Aarogyasri.
Ma'am, are you going to provide a solidarity for the Aarogyasri hospital owners who are going to strike on tomorrow morning?
100% we are supporting all the agitation taken up by the private hospitals.